Hello, good afternoon. Here we go. These are a jar of my peaches that I opened up day before yesterday to go with our dinner. And I could just eat the whole jar. I don't know about you. But I'm going to use these in a recipe with chicken. Chicken and a balsamic reduction glaze. This one happens to be peach. And that's what inspired me. Because some people do this maybe with the reduction of a balsamic with apricot, like apricot jam. But I looked at this in my cupboard and I went, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the rest of my peaches. It should just be perfect. And I'm going to use chicken thighs. But let me chop up my peaches first. Do you have the Pyrex ware like I do for all sizes? I'm going to chop this up. Get this in here. There's just a couple peaches and it should be just right. I thought I would try using my hamburger crusher upper. And it works good. Okay, now, there's a lot of juice in here. Am I going to use all of it? I don't know. There might be too much natural sugar that the chicken might burn. But I'm using the thighs, not a great big, thick chicken breasts. Okay? That looks good. If I really wanted to, I could like maybe thicken that up, like with a cornstarch a little bit or something. I don't know. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. But what I have here are thighs, and I am definitely patted them. Aren't they ugly? They're like the ugliest chicken, and they're the best tasting too. Apricot. Good grief, Charlie Brown. Avocado oil. I'm sick. Can you hear it in my voice? But now I'm like not as sick, believe me, as I was the last week. I probably didn't even need to put oil in there, but I did. So some of these are large, and here I saw a little small one in here. And some of these are smaller, especially thickness wise. So this is what I do. This one's smaller, and I don't want it to cook too quickly. So I'll kind of fold it over, and let's pretend like it's like that big. Get in there. Does that make sense? So that they cook all the same. Because like, look how thick he is. So I'll tuck that little part up and put them in. I don't know if these are all going to fit now. But I tuck the ends up. And we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, I'm going to do this here. And one more. Pat you dry. Okay, and I have nice little bit of soapy water. Let me do this just to get that on my nail. Okay, let me do this because I was touching the chicken, y'all. Okay, they're tucked in there pretty good. Okay, enough room to cook evenly. And I'm going to use, get this out of the way. I'm actually going to use, excuse me, I'm all mixed up. A little salt. Salt them first. This is Himalayan salt. Use any kind you want. I like the thicker, coarse kind. It's going to stick around for those. Now, I can't decide how I really want to do this because, you know, jam has a certain consistency, but this doesn't. But I'm going to just lay some peaches around. And some of the juice is naturally going to go on there. I'm faking it, y'all. That's what dinner is. Today I'm going to, I finally feel good enough to go out and work a little bit outside. I'm going to vacuum my pool for the beginning of the year. I know a lot of you aren't from Pittsburgh, but our weather's been cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs for a while now. And we finally got around to opening our pool. This is late May. Look at that. Looks okay, right? This is literally what I'm going to do. There's a little bit of juice in here, and I'm going to drizzle some of this now. But late May, and, you know, you have to make sure it's nice and clean. I wish this had one of those. Actually, I'm going to stop this. I have an idea. Hold that thought. I have an extra one of these. I was thinking maybe, well, it's not real tight, but I'm going to hold it. And then that way I can drizzle as opposed to glug this out. But anyway, I went to get outside And actually, is this going to come out? There it goes. You think I'd practice first? I don't practice nothing. It's just me and you guys. But I know a lot of you will open your pool, like you people in California and all the warmer states, and say, why is your pool so yucky? Like, you know, I'll see videos of people treating their pool and stuff, and they're like, you shouldn't let your pool get like that. Well, we cover them up for the whole winter. We ain't swimming outside like y'all are. You know what I mean? You know, and I even have a heater. And so it extends the season, but not that long, darling. When there's like 5 inches of snow falling in one afternoon. No, ain't nobody swimming unless you're inside. This smells really good. And I think it will be good. It's going to be a little bit on the sweet side. I might like take some of this juice and do that later. I'll let you know, but I'm figuring I'm going to cover it at first. 375. This temptation thing, nothing sticks in this sucker. And if it does, it comes right out with water. These pans are truly amazing. The Polish pottery, if you will. I've baked mac and cheese in some of these, and it's got crusty or some baked beans or something like that. Never fails. This cleans up so nice. So that's why I'm going to use this. I was all over the place, but if you was standing here in my kitchen with me, that's what I would be doing. So welcome to my little humble kitchen. I'm going to cover this up, get it in the oven, and the recipe that I did see, this is another thing that just kind of came together. Had a little bit of rosemary. I didn't used to like rosemary, but I like her now. but just in moderation. But I made rosemary potatoes here for my son, daughter-in-law, and their 2 babies when they came over, and for Sage when he came over with them. And I forgot to put the rosemary on the potatoes, but they said they were good anyway. I had muddled them up because mine come in the jar, in the spice jar whole. So I'm going to put a little bit. I just didn't want to throw them out. So there they are. But that one recipe with apricot and balsamic, that's what they also use. So let me do this. Just in moderation, girl. Yeah, there we go. I always grow rosemary in the garden, but I never really use it that much. It's kind of funny. All right, I'm all set and dressed. Hair's up to go out to the pool. I'm going to bake this for about 40 minutes, and I'll check it.